Welcome to HyperSKU's exclusive look into one of our top fashions, where high street fashion meets cutting-edge design and materials. We are here to show you how we source and give you the best in the fashion industry, from fabric choices to logo making and the printing options. Let's take a tour. Are you importing fashion clothing from China? No Alibaba anymore.
These platforms often offer white-labeled, low-quality products with weak supply chain power and poor service. If you want to prioritize quality, grow your brand, and have full customization options, you need a reliable solution. At HyperSKU, we offer an unlimited range of fabrics to meet your fashion needs. Whether it's eco-friendly materials, vibrant prints, or durable blends, we source the best for your brand. HyperSKU also provide endless logo options. Also, from heat transfers, embroidery, to print-on-demand services, you can fully customize your designs with low MOQs to fit your brand's needs. With our print-on-demand digital printing, simply provide your photo or pattern, choose from our blank tees, hoodies, mugs, and more, and we'll take care of the rest. Our team provides expert guidance to ensure top-quality, custom pieces your customers will love. Heat transfer works by printing your design onto transfer paper, then carefully removing any excess material. After that, we use heat and pressure to press the design onto your chosen product, ensuring a clean, durable finish. All materials, from tees to mugs, can be fully customized to your needs.
Not sure where to start? Our fashion sourcing expert will guide you through the design process.
HyperSKU offers free samples and design advice to ensure your vision becomes a reality. HyperSKU supply chain experts will provide you with a comprehensive introduction to our various manufacturing techniques, even if you have no background in textiles. We'll recommend the most suitable fabrics or logo materials for your needs. If you have any questions about product selection or design, our specialists are here to offer their unwavering support and honest advice, whether it's suggesting the best fabric for your brand or the most suitable printing technique for your preferred material. Each quote is meticulously itemized, ensuring that every penny you spend is truly worthwhile.
Branding is everything.
That's why we provide custom packaging services to elevate your brand's image. From eco-friendly designs to premium packaging, we've got it covered.
13 warehouses ensure your stock is safe and ready to ship when you need it.
We handle storage, quality checks, and fast fulfillment so your business runs smoothly. With fast shipping options to the US, Europe, and beyond, your products can arrive at your customer's door in as fast as 5 days. We manage it all, from sourcing to final delivery. HyperSKU.